Life should be great rather than long. One famous name among patriotic freedom fighters and social reformers is the Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. The nationalistic occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti commemorates the memory and birth of this great personality. Dr. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891. Every year, this day is celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti. We all know him as the father of Indian Constitution. This talented man was a politician, a social reformer, a jurist, and an economist. He always fought against the injustices prevalent in the Indian society. He was the leader of the Dalits. Dr. Ambedkar became the law minister in 1947, but he resigned in 1951 as he was disappointed with his lack of influence in the Indian government. Dr. Ambedkar renounced Hinduism and became a Buddhist along with his 2 lakh follower Dalits. He wrote a book, The Buddha and his Dhamma, which was published in 1957. In 1923, Dr. Ambedkar established the Bhashit Hitkarni Sabha, which aimed to spread awareness about the importance of education and enhancing the economic status of the low-class people of our country. He also ran a social movement to eradicate the caste system from India under the slogan Educate, Agitate, Organize. He wished to rebuild Indian society by following the rule of equality of all human beings. He also led a march at Maharashtra for establishing equal rights for untouchable people in 1927. He is also remembered for starting social movements such as anti-caste, anti-priest, and temple entry movements. In the year 1930, he led a temple entry movement in Kalaram Temple, Nashik, Maharashtra. He was a member of the Viceroy's Executive Council, and in 1940 he was adept in 64 subjects. He could also speak 11 languages proficiently. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was honored with Bharat Ratna in the year 1990 April for his tremendous contribution to our society. He also formed a political party known as the Indian Labour Party. He is a true inspiration to our youth of our country. We should all follow him and be his great principles.